guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can see the WhatsApp notifications on your OPPO one. So in the first step, always check that you have a Do Not Disturb activated. You can do it in the top panel. If yes, try to open the App Info by holding the finger on the WhatsApp icon and choose App Info. Now go to the permissions and make sure that you have a notification permission in allowed. Try to tap on it and make sure that you have selected these two options. In the next step, go to the settings, tap on the Wi-Fi and choose the three-dot icon. Open more settings, go to the Wi-Fi data usage and tap on the network access. Now swipe down and make sure that WhatsApp have a Wi-Fi and mobile data selected. In the next step, go to the mobile network, choose data usage and make sure that you have a data saving deactivated. If you have this function turn it on, just switch it off and try to check the WhatsApp notifications again. After that, you can also try to update your system by opening the OPPO device and tap on the ColorOS. If you have any update, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, try to reset your network settings by opening the additional settings, tap on the backup and reset, and choose the reset phone. You can see you have network settings, so just tap on it and choose reset network settings. And that's it, this how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.